Hello everyone, Dr. Ray Marquez here, chiropractic physician. I've been in practice now for well over 20 years. And one of the main things that I see in my offices is back pain. And how do we get back pain, or what's a leading cause? We can almost always boil it down to compression of the lumbar joints. So we get pressure or compression of the joints, they become dysfunctional, they get inflamed, and they cause us pain. What are the different things that cause compression? Well, we can have compression while we're working, when we do housework or yard work, or a lot of times when we're walking for exercise. Okay, our bodies are fighting gravity, we're lifting and pulling things, we're sitting too long, we're standing too long, and those joints compress. Okay, when they compress, they lead to degeneration and dysfunction, and it can cause us all kind of trouble in the future. One of the things that I prescribe to many of my back patients is a pain relieving back brace. And what this back brace does is decompress the joints. Okay, it's a lot like wearing a knee brace. If you put a knee brace on when your knee hurts, it's unloading the pressure on that knee so you can walk around and move around a little better. No different with your low back. I think we just forget about it sometimes, but there are products out there that if we wear them like a pain relieving back brace, it'll decompress the joints, unload the pressure on the joints, make it more functional. Patient feels better, they're able to work better, walk better, do housework better. Okay, because it's taking that pressure off of there. One of the belts that I always prescribe to my patients is a Corflex pain relieving back brace. Okay, and I have one here. Okay, it's a very well put together brace. The first thing that I notice when I'm looking at it is the high quality of workmanship that they put it together. There's a lot of different back braces out there that you can get at a lot of stores or online, and they're just cheaply made. And if it's something that we need to wear all the time, I would like one that isn't going to fall apart in a month. And these are just well put together. I'm going to open it up here, and when we look at it, the next thing that kind of pops out to me is that it's well padded. Okay, so when you wear these things, you want them to be comfortable, right? So Corflex has put pads strategically in the right places to conform to your low back curve or your lumbar lordosis so that we decompress the joint, the back the most. It has this material on there, and it's like the material with those workout shirts that keep you cool so you don't sweat as much. And that's probably one of the main complaints I get with patients that have different types of belts. I wear it all the time, but it gets too hot. It's not comfortable, and I get hot. With this particular belt, the material that they use is made so you don't sweat as much and cools off. And again, it has padding strategically in the right spots to conform to your body. So it's comfortable to wear. This one here has side panels on it. Okay, we have side panels, and they're to support us, to support our lower lumbars and to allow our muscles to relax and unload the pressure on them, and they'll begin to feel better. When we put it on, it has an anterior ridge, which is hard, and a posterior ridge, which is hard. And what that does is it compresses us. Okay, it compresses us, decompresses the joints, allows the muscles to relax, and we begin to feel better. So again, this is a Corflex lace-aligned spine pain relieving back brace. It's the type that I prescribe to my patients, and one that I highly recommend for you. How often do we wear these, and when do they help? Again, you want to wear them, number one, when you're in pain. They help relieve the pain, absolutely. Next, you wear it while you're out walking. That's one of the complaints I get with patients is, hey, we go for our daily walk, and I normally walk a few miles, but I can only walk a mile before my back starts tightening up and hurts. Well, let's wear that belt while we're walking, and we can relieve some of that pressure and hopefully stop that pain from coming on. You can wear one while you're working, and absolutely one around the house. What I tell my patients is we wear them when you're in pain all the time, and then as you begin to feel better, we can back off on the frequency of them. These pain relieving back braces by Corflex can also be used as a pain management tool, so to prevent your pain from coming. So once you feel better, you can wear one a few hours a day or while you're being active in order to decompress the spine, take pressure off it, and prevent problems from coming. Okay, and that's the big thing here, isn't it? Let's prevent the back pain from getting bad enough. Okay, so Corflex lace align brace, pain relieving back brace, they're ones we recommend, high quality. They'll definitely help you get out of your pain. I hope all is well. I want to thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.